Look at that. Look at that. Green banana stew. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, people. You have your mixed vegetables. Hey people, morning. I haven't done any video for a few days. I have a cut on my finger here. I have a cut, and it's hard to do the videos with the cut on my finger. Alright, but this morning we're going to do some green banana stew. Green banana stew. We're going to get some banana. I'm going to climb the tree this time. We're going to turn up on one bucket. Banana tree too tall. Voila. Warm potato. So the first time I had to use cutlass, some of the banana got destroyed, damaged. I use a cutlass. But now, there, it will be a long time. Hold on, Miss Phoenix, hold on. Hold on, Miss Phoenix, hold on. Got some more. I think I'm going to leave these to ripe. Woo! I think I'm going to leave these to ripe. Alright? I think I want those to ripe. Alright? Why I go all the way up the top fingers, they are bigger. Alright? The top fingers are bigger. So this morning we are going to cook green banana stew. Alright? So from farm to table, green banana stew. And you can eat whatever you want to eat with a green banana stew. Piece of fried chicken, some curry, anything you have you can eat with a green banana stew. Alright, but this banana tree is very tall. Alright. The other day I was supposed to use ladder, but no. Banana is gone. Alright, one. Yes people, so we're gonna peel some green bananas. Alright, my finger is cut, so Mama Navlet will peel some bananas for me. And over here we have some seasoning that we're going to use to do our banana stew. The banana stew, you can eat it alone, you can eat a piece of fried chicken with it, you can put any meat with it. You can eat it alone. Very nice. Alright, we're going to do some of that today. So we're going to put some more water on our bananas. We're going to throw some more water in there. Alright, so we need some more banana. We need some more water, I mean. We need some more water. Alright, you can use cooking oil on your hands. You don't have to use water. You can just rub your hands with cooking oil and peel the banana to get rid of the stain. Alright. So we're going to peel our bananas and drop them back into the water. Alright. And then we're going to cut up our seasoning. Yeah, people, so you can rub some cooking oil on your hands. Alright. We're going to leave them back in the water until we're ready for them. Peel up your banana. Peel up your banana. Alright. Green banana stew is very nice. I've had it before. Alright, and now I'm showing you this morning how to do it. Tomato, onion, scallion, thyme, a little turmeric powder, some cooking oil, and we're gonna stew down our green banana. Alright, you can just eat it just like that. Drop them back in the water so they don't turn black until we're ready for them. And have this for breakfast, even dinner too. You can have it for dinner. Alright? Alright people, so I don't want to submerge my hand in the water, but I'm going to cut up the seasonings. This is so expensive nowadays. Alright, the price for onion is up 600. Taking them out of the water. I don't want my hands to. My finger is cut, so I don't want to submerge it too much in the water. People, every time when you hear me a cook, when you hear me a complain about the dull knife them, I don't know if you do again. Alright, when you buy them sharp and then cut you up, and then after that they are no good. You need to find a good place to buy a knife. These knives, they are no good. Alright, I'm just cutting up some seasoning for my banana stew, prepping the things before I go to the fire. Alright, and this knife is no good. Alright, we have some thyme over here. They are dry. They are not green thyme. Alright, we're not going to use the stick because people, the stick might look like something else. So we're not going to use the stick. Alright, we're going to cut off some of this thyme leaves and put away the stick. Alright, put the stick one side. No, scotchy. Careful with the scotchy. Alright, these scotch bonnet, they are hot. It's not play scotch bonnet. I put back the stick them in there. What is this? Alright people, I'm still cutting tomatoes. Hey, we don't laugh after my knife here. This your knife here workless. Don't laugh at the knife. And there's no hard and fast rule how to cut seasoning. Just cut up the seasoning, no man. It doesn't say that you have to cut round, you have to cut it square, you have to cut it this. Just cut up the seasoning, people, please. Alright, you don't want to use these parts, take them out. You can cut them out if you don't want to use them. Alright, no problem. Not a problem. You want to cut them up in there? You want to cut it up and throw it away? No problem. No hard and fast rule. It's not like when you cut it up in there, it's going to do something. Alright? Some people don't use it. Some people just don't use it. Alright? Wagwan people, where are you watching from? England. Big up Everblessed Stores. Everblessed Travel. Big up Everblessed Travel. Yeah, people. Go over and check out Everblessed Travels. There are some very good videos over there if you want to know the island. Walk with Everblessed Travels and you'll get to know Jamaica. Alright, because me never know some place in my own country until I watch Everblessed Travels. Alright, so go over there and check out Everblessed Travels. Alright. Because a lot of us, we live in Jamaica but we don't travel Jamaica. And some of us not even know the 14 parishes, soon become 15 parishes. Alright, I'm cutting up some scallion. Some people call it green onion. In some other countries, I'm cutting up some scallion. This expensive, bud. Alright, very expensive now. And there's no hard and fast rule to how to cut up the onion. I see it now, I just have to cut it from the side here. Cut it. Whereas like my knife no good. We just have to cut the onion. Now we have to go at the fireside now. After we prep everything and have it, we have the banana in water. So we have prep the rest of things then. Alright. Take out this kachika hot. Don't want too much in there. Alright, so we have seasoning prep. We have banana in water. We have banana in water. So we are going to go to the fire now, alright? You're ready now. Go on, show them. Yeah, people, oil hot. Just testing the temperature of the oil. Alright? Now we are going to add our seasoning. Look at camera lady can run when she because she gets too much burn. So she now stick around when oil involved. She now stick around at all. Alright, so she now stick around when oil involved. She can run. Just think up the lady. Yes, people, so we are purple seasoning. Purple seasoning. Don't burn out the seasoning, alright? But let them start in soon. You don't need too much oil either. Beautiful. What we're going to put in there is, let you can see, turmeric powder. A little bit of turmeric powder to give our banana color. Alright, so a little bit of turmeric powder into our pepper. So this is tablespoon. It's about half of the tablespoon turmeric powder. You don't want too much turmeric, very strong. Alright, so just burn the turmeric in the oil. Look at that. That scent. Alright, so the color of the turmeric give that. Very nice. Alright, nice. Look at that. Nice. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to add our bananas in here. Alright, so let me get the bananas. Add your bananas. Add your bananas. Meanwhile you're adding, look at the color. Look at that. Lovely. Look at that color. So just keep on adding the bananas until we are finished. Turmeric is just like curry. Alright. Very empty stuff to use. The amount of water you're going to throw into this just to cover the banana. You don't want too much water, right? But in the meantime, stir your bananas. Stir them. Get that turmeric in them. Look at that, lovely. Look at that. Little seasonings all over that banana. Set them in the pot. I'm going to cook them down. Throw enough water to cook your banana. Throw enough water in there just to cook your banana. Alright, fix them. You can add some Irish. You can add some coconut milk. Just enough to cook your banana. Alright? Make sure the bananas are covered. Alright? You can also add some mixed vegetables. Alright? I can show you the mixed vegetables. We don't ready to add them yet. Alright? You can add some mixed vegetables. Alright. Now what you're gonna put in there, you gotta season it up. Season up your banana with some powder seasoning. You have to use some powder seasoning to give it taste. A little jerk, a little Maggi. Alright. A stew we are cooking now, man. We're not going. So season up the banana now, man. That's a little jerk. Use Maggi. That's a little jerk. You have to season up the banana for the banana to taste good, alright? Don't just put it in the pot like that and don't season it up. What you're going to do now is leave this to simmer. And you can have this with a piece of fried chicken, have it alone. You can throw some coconut milk in there. I just eat it like that. Now we're going to cover it and let it simmer. People, it's coming down. Look at that. All my vegan friends. All those who don't like to eat meat. You don't know you taste it. You put a little tip of salt. Go easy on the salt. Alright people. Easy on the salt. Alright. And some of your banana getting crushed, that's nice. No problem if it crush. Alright, some of them break up, not a problem. Alright, it's a stew. I'm not going to get all of the bananas whole. May I cut one there? Not a problem. This is lovely. Alright, just a little tip of salt. Yeah, it will go up in the banana, suck up all that gravy. All that niceness going up in the banana. And people that's so ready to come off here, So it's like when it's ready to come off, I will add in the mixed vegetable. Alright? Yeah. Like how we soon take off that people. Mixed vegetable was already pre-cooked. Sprinkle some mixed vegetable in there. Corns and all sort of things. Carrots, string bean. Alright. I will soon take it off, people. You want to simmer down some more. Nice rich gravy. And now we're gonna take it off. So we had pre-cook this mixed vegetable to make the process quicker. Alright, you know what lovely now, people? I am fresh out of coconut milk. No coconut milk, people, but tell me what, when you're going to do yours, make sure you have some coconut milk. This wicked with coconut milk. Alright, make sure you have the coconut milk. Don't bother fresh out of coconut milk like me. Alright, make sure you have some coconut milk here. Don't mind if it crush, not a problem. Banana break up, not a problem, it's a stew. Alright, and look at that, lovely. Simmering down. You there? Nice rich gravy. Alright. I want to simmer down more, people. Alright? This is lovely. This is nice. This is nice. Cheese. Thumbnail. Big up to all my subscribers. Big up to all my viewers. If you're watching and you have not yet subscribed, subscribe, man. What are you waiting for? Support the channel, man. Subscribe, man. Just touch the subscription button, subscribe, and then turn on your notification bell so that you know when I upload videos. Alright? But this is lovely. Let me make no mouth run water today. Vegan. If you never put some coconut milk in this. When you not do it, make sure the coconut milk in there, right? Wicked. And even without the coconut milk, so creamy and rich. See you soon.